Hello, Chef here. I've got a boneless, skinless chicken breast. I'm going to turn it into blackened chicken for you. Very quick, very easy, very simple recipe. Follow along here. I cooked with Paul Prudhomme. Open up your chicken like this. Put another piece of plastic on top. Meat mallet. Okay, and then we're going to cut this chicken into some even pieces. Like that. Okay, just like that. Now Chef Paul, he used butter on everything, but olive oil does the same exact effect. Just a touch of olive oil on the chicken, one side, spread it around. You can use a brush if you like. And then blackening spice, Cajun blackening spice. Must be the real deal, the authentic stuff. If you don't know where to get it, yeah, that's the good stuff there. And they supply us with it. So we're going to put the blackening spice on one side only, just like that. Okay? Hot pan. Cast iron is good. Steel is good. This pan is steel. This particular one is made in France. Chicken goes in. Make sure your exhaust fan is going. Chicken's almost ready. Oh yeah, the chicken is all done. If you're not sure, you can cut it open. The finished blackened chicken. I made an apricot saffron glaze to go with this. Put a little bit right across like this, and a little on the plate because wow, really beautiful. I'm also going to be finishing with a little bit of stabilized XALT basil. It's dried basil, but it's really beautiful. Got some nice colors going on right there on this plate. I'm going to show you close up here. Oh yeah, the saffron apricot, sweet, and the hot blackened chicken. Yeah. Try Chef's recipes out. Oh yeah. Touch of salt. Good idea. Get cooking and have a great day. Oh, it's gonna be good. Off camera here. A little tasting. Wow. Select Hard Rock Maple is the chef's choice. Choose from several sizes. With a juice groove, without the juice groove, reversible, charcuterie board, solid walnut, solid cherry, even walnut rustic grain, reversible, round, square, rectangle, free shipping. Oh, it's gonna be good. Wow, the Jambus Cucina Elegante, handcrafted with the finest American hardwoods, food service grade stainless steel. The Elegante features 1.5-inch thick butcher block, available in several sizes and with several options. Call your sponsor and save money. Ask for a discount. Oh yeah, it's gonna be good. Boost blocks. Buy the best the first time. Save money. Every knife should be paired with a butcher block throughout the kitchen. Uh-huh. Proper maintenance should be applied every month. The finished loaves. I love butcher block. Yeah, this is end grain maple. You can see it's ready for some more oil. This is edge grain cherry. It's been oiled once and then it's been sealed at the factory. It's really, really nice. I like it. And this one here, this is edge grain maple. So different looks and different sizes, different thicknesses. Edge grain has certain applications, end grain has certain applications. They're all on sale at your sponsor right there. In stock and quick shipping, you're gonna love it. By the way, this is an authorized dealer with over 50 years of combined experience in butcher block. So I suggest you shop with the experts. Get the best the first time. That's my motto. Get the best the first time. To apply mystery oil. Give it a shake. A little bit of beeswax and mineral oil, some other good stuff in here. I like it. First application, just like this. Swirl motion. Yeah. Okay, once you got the swirl motion down, plastic bag. Why? Because it's recyclable and it's not flammable. I would not use cloth. It'll absorb too much and it becomes flammable. Oh, look at that block. Really, really nice. You can see all the hard work has paid off just with the look and the color. Oh, yeah. If you need one of these blocks, contact your sponsor. If you need the butcher block treatment, okay, I'm in the kitchen. I've got this fresh basils looking really, really nice there. I've got a razor sharp knife. You're wondering just how sharp this is, right? Yeah. Always good to start with a very sharp knife. So the mystery oil is applied in a circular motion. Nothing but high quality. Buy quality the first time. Blueberries. I like it. Oh yeah, it's gonna be good. You're gonna like it. so nice to cut on. Contact the sponsor. They're having a sale, and I know there's free shipping as well. Yeah, that is the good stuff right there. Professional cutting boards, chopping blocks, butcher blocks, custom sizes, many styles, all made in the USA.